Right now there is so much content on the social media, even the experts can tell which content can go viral. But one thing they can be sure that increasing your engagement on the content and how to analyze the competitors post so you can copy their process and even they bring engagement or bring that kind of the results on your social media accounts or the profile. So what if there is the no expert you needed? In fact, you can do it with the AI tool. So in this video I am going to review such a tool that name is the Kuasar, and this is the AI video analysis tool. All you need to just add here your famous profile links and it is going to analyze their content, and after that show all of the best content that is bringing most of the content engagement on their profile. For example, if I go to this social media video analyzer, here I only need their profile username, and once I paste their username it is going to analyze all their content, give them a score and show what are the content that is working best for them. For example, this is the username one of my favorite creator, and it score their top performing videos from the Instagram. By the way, you can also do the analysis for the TikTok, and after that I can easily know which kind of the content I can just take the inspiration and create the same kind of the content for my brand and get the same engagement level of the idea. Okay, so you can see these are the some famous videos I got from this creator and suggesting by this AI tool here, and it is giving it a score the 100 the better. Okay, and right now the most highest score is the 41.34. so I think this content is working fine for their profile. And now I can also see their views, how many the views, likes and the comments got on this post. And if I want to check it out how this post look like, so simply click on the link and now it will open that post and let me see how this content look like. Okay, so basically I am getting the all the viral content from this user using this AI tool. And once I got it, what I can do, I can just go to the video script and here just click here on the script the based video tools. So now it will just create the some scripting part on these best videos or the content with the images. You can see here video script, generate stunning AI photos from a single selfie using advanced AI tools. Same thing you can find it here. And now what I can do, I can just watch any of the video that I want to similar kind of the content. I got also this prompt here or this little bit of the piece of content how I should proceed with the video. Like for example, this video, the video showcases a free AI tool for generating Facebook ads, copies, providing text ad, strategy, idea, SEO, PPC keywords for the product. Okay, so right now I got to know what this video about. So after that I can just watch the full video, create my script, and after that I can just do the video similar kind of this, and there's the higher chances that I also get the engagement. So that's how this platform works, and I'm really surprised because this is the something one of its own kind of the feature or the technology I haven't seen right now. And there's also some other features as well, like this one, video AI insights. So here you can just find some insight based on the videos you have analyzed from the profiles. Okay, and here I want a video script producing part, what is the best social media content. Okay, these are some question answers basically it has generated for you. Then we have this data dashboard. Basically this is the insight part or the analytic part about the profiles we have analyzed, like how many the engagement, duration, their top engagement, sentimental engagement, keywords, what are the top their keywords, their user verbs, okay, the words they are using mostly in their videos. Okay, so these are the things you are getting in the data dashboard. So right now this platform is so much easy to understand, even a non-beginner can get started. The most important and the key factor is this one, Kuasar Video AI. Here first you have to add the profile usernames here which you want to analyze. You can add up to the 3 usernames under the 1 tier plan here. For example, I have added 2 here. After that, adding this, for example, let me add this one so you can get the idea how to use it. So add the username. Here it is asking you to which profile you want to select, Instagram or the TikTok. So right now this is the Instagram profile, username is not valid. Okay, I think I have added the @ so let me select the Instagram, and now it is the good. Now after that all you need to just click on the analyze, and after that it will start scoring the content of this user profile, and now it will show the score. This is the highest score. You can also filter it by clicking it here. you can go with the views, likes here. Okay, then we have the script part, we have the question answer and the video from scratch. There's also the AI insight that I have already showed you. This is the data part, and dashboard. Basically you will get the how many the profiles you or the accounts you have analyzed, videos it has analyzed. Okay, and once you start analyzing the video, it can take up to the 1 to 10 minutes to start getting all the data for that profile. Okay, so make sure you have that much of the patience. So that's all the today's video. I want to talk about the Kuasar, and let me show you and talk about its pricing, so you get to know how much you have to pay. So this pricing of this tool is the just starting from the $59, and there are multiple tier plans available. In the single tier plan, you can just track up to 3 users names like I suggest, and you will get the score for the 100 videos per month. And in the tier 2 plan, if you want to increase limits of the username tracking or the analyzing, this is the tier 2 or tier 3 plan good for you. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about the Kuasar and this amazing feature of the AI video analysis, how you can get the ideas on the viral videos content. So make sure you check out this lifetime deal. The link will be given in the description. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.